welcome back to the channel. So it's been a pretty long time we haven't seen each other, and we are on yet another impromptu trip. So right now it's about 4:45. So about an hour and a half back, we decided. I mean, we didn't really decide. I got a call from a friend of mine, and she said, "How about we go on a road trip somewhere close by?" And the three of us, we decided why not. So right now I have a good friend of mine with me, Sweeney, and I also have my constant Ashley with me. So we're in a quiet place right now. You might have seen in our vlogs that we don't really go to a lot of places which are noisy or too much of concrete around. So we have come to yet another little village where there's a beautiful lake, a nice quiet temple, very quiet surroundings, and it's absolutely gorgeous to be around this place. It's very calm and it's very soothing. So we've had a fun trip. We literally danced our way on the way here. Matlab, I was driving, but still we were pretty much dancing. It was a lot of fun to drive here. Well, we are here. You go and have a look at this place, and I'll tell you more about this place in a couple of minutes. So the Ramasamudra Lake is situated in Karkala, about an hour's drive away from Udupi. That's where we came from. So the Ramasamudra Lake was built by a Jain sect whose name was Veera Bhairava. He had two sons, Ramnath and Veera Pandya. Ramnath died when he was very young, and to commemorate him, and in his memory, of course, his father built this lake. So this man-made lake is gorgeous. It's very quiet, and a lot of people come here to take in all the serenity and the quietness here to have a very good time. And we are here just for that, having a lovely time. While we were heading towards the destination, just a few meters before the lake, we spotted a hillock from where we suspected the view would be picturesque. So we planned to give it a quick visit. Well, do you have any clue what you can see right now in this view? Well, that is a monolith of Gomateshwara, which is visible from here. And we're not at the lake exactly where the maps direct you to. So before you go towards the lake, there is, towards the left-hand side of the road that goes to the lake, there is a diversion where you'll see a huge rock or a huge mound of rock. That's where you go, and you will see this amazing viewpoint from where, of course, you can see the Gomateshwara, and right below there is this depth, and from there you can see the entire expanse of the lake, and beyond the horizon of the lake and the coconut trees you will see an entire range of hills and mountains, which is absolutely breathtaking. So here you'll have this really cool wind and breeze flowing in. The viewpoint is amazing. We're gonna go back there again, but for now you've got to enjoy this view. month of August right now, and because it's been raining for a couple of days, actually a couple of months, this hillock has a lot of tiny flowers, and the flowers in multiple colors. They're in multiple colors of purple and blue and white. I haven't gone to pluck any, but they're very tempting, but I'm not going to do that anyway. Well, the most important thing we want to tell you collectively is that please don't litter the place. So wherever we go as tourists, we're supposed to be responsible tourists. So as responsible tourists, it's our duty to not just maintain the decorum of the place, but also to keep it very clean. Right? So let's all be responsible tourists. Let's go to all the tourist places. Let's go to the unexplored places. But let's just make sure we don't spoil the sanctity of the place or the beauty of the place by spoiling it or littering it or doing any damage to that. So you've already had a look at how beautiful this place is. So we are in complete awe of this place, and I'm sure you are as well, just by the look through the video. So if you come here, it's gonna take you probably on cloud 9 because you actually feel on cloud 9 here, given the mountain range and the height of this place and the view from this place.
Nature reminds us that we need to find time for the little things in life that makes us happy, that makes us smile, and that makes us remain positive. Anyway, it was time to head back, but not before one last visit to the lake.
Watching the cows graze in the distance, hearing them moo, and knowing that there are residents on the other side because we could hear the dogs barking. Apart from that, there's this people tea right here where there are birds chirping as well. It's a sight to behold for sure. The water is so calm. Obviously, it's pretty still because it's a lake. So knowing about the history of this place, and the best part being there aren't a lot of people around. There are hardly any people around. So you can also come here because since we came here, there haven't been any people around. We've just been able to take in the beauty of nature all around us. So we certainly had a good time, and Sweeney is here. She's the one who took the initiative that we need to go somewhere. So because of her, we are here shooting this video right now. Well, of course, behind the lens, we have Ashley, who does all the work behind the lens. Well, he's sticking his tongue out right now, and you can't see him. So we definitely had a good time, right?
Good time.
Yeah. So she'd like to say something.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Shoe Hostess channel.
Yeah. This isn't me telling. This is my friend telling. So you don't listen to me. Listen to her at least. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, our channel of course, and share this content with a lot of people. Certainly visit this place, and this place is there on Google Maps. Just type Ramasamudra Lake and you'll find this place. You'll end up here. And you're bound to have a good time if you like quiet places. So get your friends, get your family, or you could even come alone. You can enjoy the sunset and the sunrise. You can just have a good time here. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a very good time watching this. Stay tuned for a lot of more content that we're going to come up with hopefully soon. Until then, y'all take care, toodles, and bye.